Many people believe that sweating during exercise is a clear sign of burning fat, but this common notion is actually misleading. The truth about sweat and fat loss is more complex than most realize. In this section, we'll explore what sweating really means for your body and how it relates to burning fat. By the end, you'll understand the science behind sweat and discover which habits truly contribute to effective fat loss. Sweating and burning calories are often confused, but they serve very different purposes in the body. Sweating is simply your body's natural way of cooling itself down when your internal temperature rises, such as during exercise or in a hot environment. For example, you might sweat profusely during a hot yoga class because the room is heated, but that doesn't necessarily mean you're burning more calories than if you were walking outdoors on a cool day. Burning calories, on the other hand, is a measure of energy expenditure, which depends on factors like the intensity and duration of your activity, not how much you sweat. So, while sweat can make you feel like you're working hard, it's not a reliable indicator of fat loss or calorie burn. When your body needs energy, it turns to stored fat as a fuel source. Fat cells release fatty acids, which travel through the bloodstream to be used by muscles and other tissues. Inside these cells, the fatty acids are broken down through a series of chemical reactions, ultimately producing energy, water, and carbon dioxide. Surprisingly, most of the fat that leaves your body does so when you exhale, as carbon dioxide, rather than through sweat or other means. This process highlights how breathing plays a key role in the actual loss of fat from the body. Low-intensity movement is highly effective for fat loss, largely because it relies on fat as the primary fuel source. Activities such as walking and cycling are excellent examples, as they keep the heart rate moderate and allow the body to tap into its fat stores for energy. These forms of exercise are also easier to sustain over long periods, making them accessible and manageable for most people. Unlike high-intensity workouts, low-intensity activities reduce the risk of burnout and injury, supporting consistent, long-term progress. This makes them a practical choice for those looking to lose fat and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Here's a surprising science fact. More than 80% of the fat we lose actually leaves our bodies through respiration, not sweating. When fat is broken down, it's converted into carbon dioxide and water. The carbon dioxide is then exhaled through our lungs. Sweat, on the other hand, is primarily just water and minerals, not fat. So, while sweating might make you feel like you're losing weight, it's your breath that carries away most of the fat you burn. The key takeaway is that sweat and intensity alone do not guarantee fat loss. It's a common misconception that working harder or sweating more will automatically lead to better results. Instead, lasting progress comes from maintaining consistency and building sustainable habits over time. By prioritizing regular activity and balanced routines, viewers can achieve long-term success. Remember, it's the commitment to healthy choices that truly makes a difference. Thank you for joining us as we explored the importance of sustainable habits in achieving lasting health. If you found these evidence-based insights helpful, consider liking and subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. By focusing on gradual, consistent changes, you can build a foundation for lifelong wellness. Remember, small steps taken regularly lead to meaningful results over time.